Look at all this. Bone dry. So yeah, once I cut it all up, I had to stand it up and put it on a dolly. Some of the bases were like 2.5 feet. It was a bit damp. And walk it across 200 feet of grass, then up the ramp for the trailer. So I'm friggin' sore, man. But look at that beautiful cedar. How could you pass it up? I'm going to Vancouver Island tomorrow, alright? I'm going beach combing, and I'm going to have a time of my life. Look up Port Renfriew, Vancouver Island. Oh, my back is so sore. Oh, I'm sore.